Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Future Gateway. Today it's a 4th tutorial on Microsoft Excel course. In this tutorial I will show you how to sort data in Microsoft Excel. So if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon so that you will not miss important videos of our channel. Let's open Excel. Right now I have given this table. Right here it's given the employer name and their corresponding salaries. Now I want this table to be organized in such a way that the higher salaried worker should be here on top, following by the lower salaried worker, like from the largest to the smallest. So how I will sort such type of data? I will select the whole range and I will right click on the mouse. Right, I will go to the sort option, and here I will go to the custom sort. When I click on the custom sort, here such type of window will be shown. Right, so here in sort by, I want sort by salary. Right, so I will select the salary, and here I will select values in order, so I will select from the largest to smallest. Now when I click on OK, it will be organized in such a way that the largest salaried worker should be on top and following by the lower salaried worker. Another way to do such type of sorting is select the range, go to the data tab, and here you will see the sort option. Click on the sort, and here same as like I did, sort by salary, values, and I want the order should be largest to smallest. When I click, it will be organized in such a way. Another way to do this is select the range, go to the home tab. Here you will see sort and filter option. Click on the drop down of sort and filter option, and here go to the custom sort. Right, custom sort, click on the custom sort, and here I want sort by salary. Right, so I will select salary and values, and I want the order to be from largest to smallest. When I click on OK button, it will be organized and from the largest to smallest. Right, so this was a short video on how to sort data in Microsoft Excel. So stay tuned for the next tutorial, and thank you for watching my video.
And I dive deep into the darkness in your heart, trust you more